Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set out of office in Teams. So in order to let all your contacts or colleagues to know that you are out of office, there is a little trick to make it work at the Teams mobile app. So tap your avatar at the top left corner, tap at the set status message option. In here, type in I am currently, type any message that you would like for the people to see. So I'll just go with I'm currently out of office. Be back at Monday, let's say. And then just tap at the show when people message me switch. Click done. And well, that will be pretty much it. If you want to even make it more comprehensive, should I say, set your status to be away. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.